So here we are in Blender 4.3, and what I'm going to do is on the splash screen we're just going to set our spacebar to search and click continue. And now that we're in our viewport, right before I install, I'll just get rid of the camera and the light, why not. And I'm just going to drag and drop HardOps first, and after a moment it will enable and we'll see its icon appear over here in the T panel area, and that will let us know that we are good to go. Next up, we'll install Boxcutter, and after dragging and dropping Boxcutter, we'll receive a dialog and we'll click OK, which will then give us an icon over on the side. So we see that we're running 0988_6 and we're running Boxcutter 7.20_6. Next up, we'll install nSolve, so we'll just drag and drop that and click OK on the dialog. This will cause two icons to appear, one for nSolve and one for inflow. And we see that we're now using version 004, and with that we are now good to go. So I'm going to click on the Boxcutter icon in order to start Boxcutter, and we can actually select the object and maybe set up a little bit just before we begin, like Boxcutter notifications, so we have a display. We may also want to have our radial array use the node version. And with that, let's go ahead and save our startup file. And so I'm just going to click on overwrite, and if we press Control K, we could bring up the preferences pop-up, where I'm also able to click on this three little line at the bottom and choose save preferences. So now we have saved our startup scene, and so no matter what, every time we start it up, this is basically what we're going to start off with. So now I'm just getting in here and just creating a quick little radial shape, just one of my favorite ways to get in and test Boxcutter. And we will just alt click dice, press T in order to exit to twist, and then click in order to jump over to twist, roll the wheel down in order to lower the segments. And just like that, we create a very quick twist object just using Boxcutter and a little bit of HardOps. So with that, I will wrap up this video and I'll see you guys next time.